So forgive me if my voice doesn't sound the best in this video. I haven't really been feeling well, but I still wanted to go ahead and get this video out since it's been a while since I posted anything, so I can go ahead and finish this video series. But in this video, what we're going to be doing is generating the exits for a game world automatically. So you don't have to manually go in and, create exits for however many rooms you plan on having in your game world. So the first thing we're going to do is add a string dictionary, which I've kind of already done here. And we're going to name it directions. And of course, make sure it's a string dictionary like I just said. And we're going to add our first key value pair. We're going to have a couple of them, so just sort of pay attention to what I put in and make sure you put in the right values. So our first key is going to be north, and the value for that is going to be 0, semicolon, -1. The next one is going to be northwest. The value for that one is going to be -1, semicolon, -1. And this one's going to be northeast. And this one's going to be 1, -1. South. And this is going to be 0, 1. Southwest. -1, 1. Southeast. 1, 1. West. -1, 0. East. East. 1, 0. All right, now we are going to add a script attribute to our region room called enter. And make sure it's a script. Go into code view, and we're going to start off iterating through each of the key value pairs that we just set up in our string dictionary. So we'll do for each key in game.directions. We want to get our value. So val is equal to dictionary item game.directions key. And then we're going to split our value, make it into a string list, which is why we use that semicolon. So split val. And then we're going to store each of the items in our list into their own variable. So val x is equal to list item val index 0. Val y is equal to list item val index 1. And so now, in order to determine which room our exit should be going to, we are going to add the current region's coordinates to val x and val y. So in order to do that, we'll do target underscore x is equal to this.x plus 2int val underscore x, and we have to convert them to integers because they're considered strings before then, and we can't add integers and strings together. So do the same for y. Target underscore y is equal to this.y plus 2int val underscore y. Okay, so with this part, basically what we want to happen is whenever the player reaches the end of the world or any of the rooms that are on the very outer edge of our game world, we need to make sure that they can't continue onwards, basically. So in order to do that, we'll do if, and so we'll do if target underscore x is greater than or equal to 0, and target underscore underscore x is less than or equal to game.world underscore size minus 1. And then inside that if statement, we're gonna do the same thing for target underscore y. So if target underscore y is greater than or equal to 0, and target underscore y is less than or equal to game.world underscore size minus 1. We need to actually get the target object. So we'll do target is equal to get underscore region underscore by underscore coordinates, pass in the target x and target y as the parameters. And then now that we have our target room object, now we can actually create the exit. And in order to do that, you just do create space exit. And what we're going to do here is we're going to do key plus underscore region underscore exit. That just names our exit. And then we'll do key, which is the direction. This is the room that the player is currently in. Target is the room that the exit points to. And then key plus direction. Okay. So save and run the game to see if it works. And as you can see, since we're in a room that's on the edge of the game world, we can't go left at all. But once we move right, we're able to go back left. So just click around and make sure you're not running into any errors. Okay. So what if you want a game world where you can go past the edge of the world, but you just simply end up on the other side of the same game world? So if you want to do that, we just have to change up the code a little bit. Get rid of this right here. Okay. And what we'll do is we'll do an if statement. So if, and we'll do if 0 is greater than target underscore x, target underscore x is equal to game.world underscore size minus 1. Else if target underscore x is greater than game.world underscore size minus 1, target underscore x is equal to 0. And of course, you just do the same thing for target underscore y. So I'm gonna just copy and paste that and just change the x to a y. Go. And then now we get the target again. Target is equal to get underscore region underscore by underscore coordinates, passing target underscore x and target underscore y again, and then we're gonna do create exit once more. Key plus underscore region underscore exit, key, this, target, key plus direction. Alright, so save and play. So what should happen here is, let's go to the edge of the world. As you can see, you can actually move to the left even though we're on the edge, and you should end up on the other side of the world. So now let's go up, and yep,